Hi entrepreneurs! Nakatry na ba kayo ng milk tea jelly? Kung hindi pa, tara, gawa tayo! Siguradong isa na naman to sa mga magiging bestseller nyo. For this recipe, kailangan lang natin ng dalgona milk tea, inJoy coffee flavored gulaman, and inJoy tapioca pearls. Just mix 1 tablespoon of dalgona milk tea into your 260 ml of freshly boiled hot water and 1 tablespoon of inJoy coffee flavored gulaman. 1 tablespoon lang ang hinalo natin na dalgona milk tea since flavored na rin ang ginamit nating gulaman powder. Magugulat kayo dahil mag-a-add din ito ng flavor at ng mabangong aroma. After diluting the two powders, add in your cooked tapioca pearls. Now set aside and wait for the mixture to set. Once makita na natin na nag-set na ang mixture tulad nito, pwede na natin ito i-transfer sa plate. Try nyo na rin and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching! Bye!